10 business you can start with low budget. Hello and welcome to the Critical Exam, the place where future geniuses come to sharpen their life and way of thinking. The cost of renting office space, renting equipment, leasing it, hiring staff, and other typical expenses for starting a business can cause you to lose your savings completely. But it's possible to establish a company without spending a lot of money if you plan your business strategically. If you're thinking of starting an extra home income stream or an entire career, in this video we will discuss the list of business ideas that you can start with very little capital in this video. These businesses that are low cost can be lucrative and make you feel like an entrepreneur without the need to give up the savings you have. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get all the latest updates, as we are going to make more videos on interesting topics in the future. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe to it. Now, let's get started. Number 10. Professional organizer. Being a professional organizer will require practically no upfront expenses since you don't require any specific equipment or space for your office. To be a professional organizer, all you require are your abilities and a desk at home regardless of whether your office is in part of the living space. To set yourself ahead of the crowd, you might want to be certified as an experienced organizer. There are numerous online courses that are specifically designed for this area. Number 9. Babysitter. As opposed to opening a daycare facility or a babysitting business, setting up a service in which you go to your clients' homes is an inexpensive business idea because your customers will supply all the services. You'll just require to begin this business. The only cost you'll have to pay for are a small monthly charge for your platform of your website, as well as the cost of any courses and training you attend. Many babysitters and nannying services have their clients through referrals, so start by sending a large email blast to all of your friends announcing the new position, sending direct messages to people you know with children. It is also possible to ask your local community centers, schools, libraries, or pediatricians' offices and other places. Number 8. Cleaner for the office or home. The majority of homes and offices in your neighborhood requires regular cleaning. So if you're looking to establish your own cleaning business, all you need to do is promote your services and locate prospective customers. It is not necessary to think about renting or setting up an office space. Make announcements to your contracts, request local businesses that deal with home to keep an array of your business cards in their cash register, and contact local architects, designers, or real estate brokers who might be able to help you connect with homeowners and entrepreneurs who require your assistance. Number 7. Tutor. If you're creating online continuing education courses on websites like Udemy or offering in-person tutoring services, whether it's tests or music lessons or whatever your field of expertise is, becoming a tutor is a different business that has low startup costs. You can establish your own home office and use communication via video with students. However, if you provide in-person tutoring, most likely you'll work at your clients' residences. It will also be the best option. In addition, you must create your own business website and establish social media accounts specifically for your company to increase the effectiveness of your business. Number 6. Freelance editor or writer. If you're a natural for writing and have an opinionated view of grammar and style, you could be interested in starting an editing or writing business. All you need is a computer and a dependable internet connection, which makes this a low-cost business concept. It's also a good idea to begin as a side job and later on transition into full-time work when you build your client base and get more work. The creation of a website for your business with a portfolio of work is essential, as it would require marketing, so make sure to inform your friends and contacts about the new venture you're planning to launch and also that you're looking for proposals. Number 5. Transcriptionist. Another venture that needs only a little capital to begin is the transcription business. This is another excellent business to run from home, in which clients can send them either video or audio recordings that must be converted into written documents. The big media companies may engage third-party transcriptionists for the transcription of interviews. Likewise, the legal and medical fields also require transcriptionists. Number 4. Blogger. The low-cost venture may take some time to become profitable. However, it is an affordable and flexible option for the many creative people that are out there. If you're passionate about something or a set of skills that you would like to communicate to the world, then you can share your knowledge by starting your blog. As your audience grows, it is likely that you will have opportunities to earn profits from your blog posts, whether through advertisement, sponsored content, or affiliate collaborations. Take your time evaluating your niche to ensure that your niche isn't already overrun. Then optimize your blog so that readers can locate it on the internet. Number 3. Graphic designer. Beginning a freelance graphic design business is another low-cost and flexible method to earn money from any location. Similar to freelance writers, you'll need to develop an attractive online portfolio to show your talents and previous projects. The social media profiles, specifically Instagram, can be essential. Then decide on the type of projects you'd like to tackle and begin communicating with your contacts. Perhaps you're interested in designing websites and business cards for other professionals, or perhaps you're seeking to develop advertising campaigns for corporations of all sizes. Whatever your passions are, there's a need for graphic designers who can do just this. Number 2. Video editor. It is likely that you will require software to do this. However, aside from the small expense upfront, you won't need to worry about anything other than starting your own business as a freelancer. The actual production and editing of your video are handled by your customers, which means you don't have to think about spending a lot of money on video equipment. After the video is recorded, it will be delivered to you and modify it to the final product. It's also a fantastic remote business or one that is based at home, so you can increase your profits by working from any location. Number 1. Photographer. The beginning of a photography business might be more expensive upfront than other business ideas listed on this list. However, once you've got an advanced camera and the program to edit your photos and publish them, you're officially on the right track. Making your portfolio takes several months. However, the great reason is that opportunities to shoot pictures are all around. You can offer your services to family and friends at a discounted rate while you're just beginning out. Once you've built a solid portfolio, increase your rates to remain on top of the market. It doesn't matter if you'd like to concentrate on editorial, event, or product photography. High-quality photography is always in high demand. So that's all for it for today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Do recommend us some topics as well on which you want to see the video in the future. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family if you like this video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Till that, keep supporting and take care.